Okay, so we have a unboxing of my new little boat that I just got. Let's see. And the cats love to get in here. Hello, baby. Right. It's a big box. For another box. Had to call in some reinforcements here. Let's see, are we still there? Yep. Alright. What is it, Midnight? What is it? Kitty, kitty? Alright, buddy. What is it, Midnight? Another box to play in? Paddles. Oh boy. This sucker seems to be a bit heavy. This is the carrying case. Oh man. There's a boat. How am I supposed to? Oh, goodness gracious. Ooh. Well, this is pretty beefy. Look at this. Look how big this is. Dang, bro. I need it. Got a big boat. Need a big pump. Midnight. That's pretty much it. New boxes for the kitties to play in. Oh boy. Oh boy. Whew, this sucker's kind of heavy. Oh yeah, it fits in your trunk, they said. Oh man, it's probably 30 pounds or 40 or something. Ooh. Look, honey. Mama's new boat. This is one of the little seats. Alright. What am I set up, honey? Patches. I'm going to bring some Flex Seal tape too. It's probably my seat that I sit on. A big old hole to pump. A big old thing. Alright. And then this is the boat proper. OMG. Can you see this beauty right here? This is going to be quite a task to get this. Excuse me, kitty cat. Yeah, I'm going to need some frickin' a hand cart to carry this sucker. But this is a start. These things get twisted, these little zipper parts. Hi, babe! You being a good boy? Now how can I carry this? I can put it in my pickup truck. And then you take it out and then you try to get it assembled. And people will probably help me. Even if I don't ask for help, they'll help. Whew. Because I don't know why I would need help. I don't know why. It's only a big air inflatable thing. Alright. Whoop whoop. All I need now is the battery. I have the bracket for the to put the motor mount. And let's see. Yeah, you saw this. Okay, so also I got the motor. And I'm not sure if this is the this might be the motor stand. It might be. Let's see. See, I have to unbox all this stuff and prepare it. So Monday I'm going to the beach. Today is Saturday. I'm going to the beach for a specific full moon reason. So see here. This is the bracket to hold the motor. The motor stand. Okay, so come on, honey. Come on over here. Now we're going to have an unboxing. Look out, honey. Move. Move. Move, Midnight, honey. Good boy. Kitty, kitty. Right, we're having an unboxing event here. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, boy. Hey, hey, hey. Stop. Move. Honey, what is wrong with you guys? Yeah. If I wasn't here to referee, what would you guys do? If I was at work or something. If I had a job. Huh? You being a good boy? You being a good girl? Oh, alright, let's see. Oh yeah, buddy. Okay, this is gonna take a minute. Oh, can you dig it? Woo. Maybe we'll try a different camera angle. This sucker's kind of heavy. Let's try a different camera angle. I know, this is so professional. Did I tell you that I'm a professional videographer? No? Well, at least you're not going to be disappointed. Expecting professionalism. Alright, now, let's see here if we can get a really nice shot. Midnight! Come on, honey, move! Good boy! Oh, goodness gracious. And my place is kind of a mess, too. Okay, you see what we got here? You see this? Man, let's just wrestle with this a minute. It's like something's caught. Oh man. Dang, man. I hit this. I hit it on the fan blade. If I turn the fan off, see if I did any damage. Turns the light off. I hit this piece. Let's see. Oh yeah. Hit the fan blade. It's okay though, it doesn't seem like it's damaged in any way. And the fan itself is so dusty. There's a little scratch on there. And there's a lot of dirt. But whatever. It's okay. We survive. I need to clean that dang fan anyway. So, here's what we got. This is kind of a long video, isn't it? Okay. Let's see, I put a scratch on this thing. Yeah, right here. You see this scratch? That's done by some freaking screw inside the wood, and I gotta drill and get that screw out of the wood that's in the bed of my pickup truck. Okay, so we got a boat, we got that stuff, we got this wonderful motor. These things. This is a little trolling motor. Let's see how we're doing on camera angle. Are we getting it all? In my professionalism here. Okay, so now the cats might try and screw this up. They better not, or I'll be mad. So this is kind of what I'm doing instead of doing a kayak. Oh, this probably may not work. Or there we go. Hitting everything. Boat. Pump. The cats better not start clawing on this or else I'll be pretty upset. They can claw on that all they want. Cats claw everything. There. There. Get the cats out of it. So we got the boat, got the motor, got the little stand, we got the bracket all ready for this. I guess the bottom piece that goes in the boat, the floor, It might fold. Set it out, put the battery on it, and I got this right here. Oh, come hither. Alright, this is a box for the battery, and we'll have to move some things out of the battery box. Okay. My little dolphin. Okay, so now this has this here, has this strap, and instructions, I have no idea. Snap top battery box. Alright, that strap goes over here. Coast Guard standard. These are for the little cables, plus and minus. Bass Pro Shops is where I got this from. Kind of ventilates. So that'll work. That'll be for my battery. Alright, that'll be it for now. Okay, so I have to strategize a little bit and figure out how am I going to move the boat from the pickup truck to the water. This is a rack for a kayak, and I couldn't even get the dang thing to work on the kayak. It kept falling off. I needed more straps and some other ways to do it or whatever. So I'm going to use this and tie it underneath the boat at the rear end. And what's going to help me, I'm going to wrestle with this and going to use straps, bungee cords, you name it. I'm going to use this stuff to try and get this to the back of the underneath the boat. Tie it all up, drag it down to the water, put all this stuff in the boat, and hope it works. I'll make sure it works. I'll put enough straps. You know. And then this rope would be to the front of the boat, and then I gotta bring an anchor. As a matter of fact, I've got a box around here somewhere that says jet ski stuff, and it has an anchor in it. Let me go look. Okay. I found my stuff with the jet ski stuff. When I sold my jet ski, which is nice to have, but you know, you gotta back into the water, the dock, at the boat ramp, and it's crowded, and you run the risk of your pickup truck going in the water. So I did not sell everything when I sold my jet ski. This is a 1 kilogram nylon Cooper anchor. Cooper is in Australia. It's for jet skis, you know, and Hopefully you can get a good look at it. There's a nice little thing right here. CooperAnchors.com, in case you're interested. So, long chain, short chain, all rope. I mean, there really should be something here. I'll look on the internet, YouTube and stuff, and figure out, you know, they put a chain. I know that they put a chain. I think they put a chain from here. And I think I've got some chain. But, you know, this is my little boat that I could even probably pull up on shore too. So, and then anchor it down. Tie it down. You know, to anchor it to the sand or a tree or something. But this is at least something I got. So anyhow, there we go. For my little boat.